Hello, in this video I'll talk about the 2017 Equifax data breach. My first point will be about Equifax background, and then I'll talk about the information stolen, and lastly I'll talk about what exactly happened. So Equifax is a credit bureau, and in 2017 they had a data breach which impacted around 147,700,000 people. Some of the information stolen included social security numbers, customer names, addresses, birth dates, driver license numbers, and credit card numbers. So what exactly happened? It all started on March 7, 2017, when Apache Software Foundation released a patch for its Struts 2 vulnerability. Struts 2 is a framework used by companies to create Java web applications. And this vulnerability allowed attackers to send a HTTP request with malicious code tucked into the content type header. So this allows Struts to be tricked into running the code and open the system it was running on. So the next day, on March 8, 2017, the United States Computer Emergency Readiness Team warned about this vulnerability, and this warning was given for companies to address it. If they didn't, it could allow a remote attacker to exploit it. So on March 9, 2017, Equifax administrators were told to apply the patch, but it wasn't done. And on March 10th, hackers were searching for servers that contained this vulnerability and found Equifax Dispute Portal. This portal is a place where customers went to argue about their claims. And the hackers were able to exploit the vulnerability and gain access to login credentials for 3 servers. So a few months passed, and on May 13, 2017, hackers began moving from these servers into other parts of the network and started taking data. And with the credentials from earlier, they were able to access 48 more servers. So this continued up until July 29, 2017. They were able to steal the data by encrypting the data and moving it so it would not be noticed. Equifax had tools that were used to decrypt, analyze, and re-encrypt internal network traffic using a public key certificate. But Equifax had failed to renew their certificate, which meant the traffic wasn't getting inspected. Only when it was finally renewed on July 29th was when they finally noticed there was a problem. And then on September 8, 2017, a few months after that, after internal investigation, the public was let know of this breach. After the breach, no identity theft occurred, so it is believed to be a Chinese state-sponsored hack. And this is a diagram that explains what happened. So the attackers scanned the web for vulnerable servers, and they found it, the Equifax Dispute Portal, and they used the login credentials to be able to take data for around 76 days. So some of the changes Equifax has done is they implemented a new endpoint security tool to find misconfigurations, evaluate possible signs of compromise, and automatically notify system administrators of identified vulnerabilities. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can email me at karlae@bt.edu. Thank you.